Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JR here. Right now we're about to check out 17 Leaders. Cheers. I know everybody's like, what about this 17 reaction? What about that? Listen, it's on Twitch. I do react on Twitch a lot more, but I definitely, you guys want to support me, go on Twitch, check me out, hit up a subscription, all that. First of all, 17 been coming out with some hot fire, literally hot fire. And Rock With You was so fire too. We're gonna be checking out 17 Leaders. It seems like someone's playing a flute or someone's sitting on a flute. Hold up. Yeah, I'm not sure who's on a flute yet. Hoshi? Maybe? I'm not sure right now. But we're gonna check out Cheers. Enough talking, let's get into this, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Alright, 17 Leaders, Cheers, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Oh, is that a recorder or a flute? I'm not sure. Let's go, Woozy. Ooh, okay, flow. Okay. Hey. Hold up. Can I just say that 17 are super versatile type of group. I mean, yes, there's a lot of members, but there's so many people in there that can do so many different things. Obviously, there's 17 Leaders. I do like the subunits. Subunits do hit different, especially, I mean, obviously 17 songs as a whole, freaking phenomenal. They've been coming out with heat, fire. But when they're in subunits, they attack in different like genres in like so many ways. So that's why I like seeing the subunits as well. All right, let's go. Got me bopping my head. It's slow though. Oh, they're explaining in like the constant flute in the background is kind of fire too. It's not like overpowering. Ooh. Wait a. Love that. I love that already. Hey. Okay. Ooh, okay, Icon. His solo is really fire too, by the way. Ooh, all Icons. Isn't that like a eraser? Like, you know, you just press one. That's nasty. Ooh, cheers. Does he have long hair extensions? He got an Ariana Grande ponytail? Hey, do you. If that fit you, that fit you. You know what I'm saying? Hit it. Ooh. That heat though. Of course, Hoshi. Hoshi's spider's fire, by the way. Anyway, let's move on. That shit fire. Hey, he hitting that. Hey, what you trying to do? We be hitting that. Hey, hit that. With the piano too. Ooh, is that button-up pants on your fit? Oh. Okay, 17 Leaders, cheers. Well, damn. Flute felt really nice. I like the touch. It's not like super overpowering too. Let's go 17 leaders. Let's go. Give them some cheers. Hype it up in the comments for 17 leaders cheers. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of 17 leaders cheers. Check the links in the description. Yes, I do be doing Twitch. I'm doing Twitch today around 6 p.m. PST. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear. Calvin